Bitcoin is already trading above $120,000, but where will it be by the end of 2025? Some experts say $145,000, others say $200,000, and few bold ones are shouting $250,000. In today's video, we are breaking down the top predictions, what's driving them, and whether now might be the moment to buckle up for a wild ride. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love crypto insights, market trends and price predictions, hit the subscribe button and smash the like button. It really helps the channel grow. Right now, Bitcoin is sitting around $121,000 after a massive run this year. We've seen highs of $122,000 and lows near $117,000 in just the past 24 hours. This volatility is exactly why price predictions are so exciting and risky. But what's next? Let's hear what the experts are saying. According to a panel on finder.com, the average forecast for Bitcoin by the end of 2025 is around $145,000. The most bullish expert on that panel says $250,000, while the most bearish thinks we could drop to $70,000. Vanek, a major investment firm, is targeting $180,000, driven by institutional demand and Bitcoin supply shocks after the halving event. Standard Chartered and even analysts at Goldman Sachs are leaning towards $200,000. And then you have Tim Draper and Anthony, two high-profile investors who believe Bitcoin could easily touch $250,000. Especially if countries adopt Bitcoin reserve of global demand explodes. So why so much optimism? Three big things. Number one, Bitcoin halving in 2024 slashed supply, historically leading to big price jumps within 12 to 18 months. Number two, institutional adoption is at an all-time high with ETFs and big companies buying in. Number three, global uncertainty is pushing investors toward Bitcoin as a hedge, similar to gold. Of course, Bitcoin is still volatile. Regulatory changes, microeconomic shifts, or big market sell-offs could pull prices down sharply. Even if $250,000 is possible, dips to $80,000 or $100,000 are not off the table. The key is to stay informed, invest wisely, and never put in money you can't afford to lose. So, will Bitcoin break $200,000 in 2025, or will we be buying the deep at $80,000? Drop your predictions in the comments. I will be reading every single one. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more crypto insights, and I will see you in the next one.